Hey everyone, it's Robin. Welcome to my channel, The Robin's Nest. Today I wanted to make something a little bit different. There's a really cool cake trend I've been seeing online and I've been just itching to try it. So we're going to try our hand at carving some frozen buttercream, and we're going to make that in the theme of Frozen the movie. So I have some of these neat little pottery carving tools and we're going to give them a go and see if we can't make something really cute. But before we do, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Now let's get into it. So I've already baked up some pretty blue cakes and I've leveled them and I've trimmed off all the caramelization. So the first thing that we're going to do is fill our layers. And once we get that finished, we're going to do a nice even crumb coat. Alright, so now we're going to take this and freeze it, and then when we come back, we're going to start working on some decorations. Now, because we're going to make this a frozen themed cake as well, we're going to make a little Olaf for the top of the cake and some cute little snowy trees. Well, here's our adorable little Olaf. I think he turned out pretty good. I'm not going to put his head on just yet. I'm going to put that on when I put him on the cake, and I'm going to use a little bit of support inside of him. So now I'm just going to make some trees. Alright, so I've got my cake and it's nice and firm. So I'm going to take some of my tools and I'm going to practice around the back side of the cake and make some snowflakes and little trees and stuff. And then once I'm comfortable with that, I'm going to try to freehand the snowflake from the Frozen 2 movie poster onto the front of the cake. And then once we're done with that, we're going to put all our finishing decorations on. Well, here's the finished product, and I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It was a bit of a challenge, but I had a lot of fun making it. And if you guys are interested in making one for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description box below for the carving tools I used. So, hope you guys really liked the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.